Simba, I swear to God, if you don't leave this camera alone. Little aesthetic in the background because my bathroom's plain as fuck. Hello, Jetpack. Welcome back to another YouTube video. I need to get a brush. Don't touch my camera. Okay, so today, oh, you're still in here. Simba's here to be helpful, I guess. If you want to leave, just let me know. I have never bleached my own hair before. Someone has always done it for me. I have more anxiety than I care to admit right now about this, but we're gonna do it because I said I would. So I really don't know if I'm supposed to do like the protein pack for my hair, if I'm supposed to do it before or after the bleach. I'm gonna assume after the bleach. Am I supposed to get my hair wet? Let me at least Google this. Let's not go in completely blind. How to bleach your hair at home. Wear some old clothes and put your gloves on. Oh, old clothes. I mean, this is old clothes, but I like this. Let me find something I don't like. Does anybody else want to talk about how I fit in a medium shirt now? Cause I do, bitch. I'm pretty sure this was my brother's, so like, shout out to Darius. For the t-shirt that I'm probably about to ruin. Oh my God, I'm so nervous. Okay. Changed into something old. Section your hair. I don't have anything to do that with. Oh, there's a hair tie. Ow, my knee. Mix bleach powder and developer. I don't have developer. I just have bleach powder and water. Am I missing something? Yo, do I have to go to the store again? I don't have the cream developer. I was about to fry my hair. Can like lotion work? It's like a cream. Can you substitute lotion for, what was it? Developer. Damn it! Developer has hydrogen peroxide in it. Wait, do I have hydrogen peroxide? Fuck! I need developer. I can't do this today. So we will revisit this when I get the developer. Good morning. Since I started recording this video, yesterday we went to Chris's mom's birthday. Then Chris actually ended up having some cream developer, and I think it's just enough for what I want to do with my hair because I'm not bleaching my entire head. I just want to bleach like the transitional portion of my hair and try to make it still look decent. I've been letting it get greasy in case it needs the extra strength. I don't know. I've just been letting it go because I didn't want to risk my hair falling out. So yeah. Oh my God. Yes? Can I help you, sir? If you're coming in, come in, but I gotta close the door. Don't wink at me. This cat is worse than a dog. Pick one. Thank you. Okay. Fucking cat. I'm gonna like streak bleach and see what happens. So let's start making everything ready, I guess. I got myself a little bowl for it. The hair dye I'm just gonna go balls to the wall with, but I got myself a brush because I don't want to bleach my hands. Chris happened to have some extra, there we go, developer that I needed to go with the bleach. Oh, this says I need scissors. I don't have scissors. Can you not? I need those. I need those for my hair. I'm pretty sure you're not supposed to do this with your teeth, but I don't want to go get scissors, so. All right, now I don't know how much is in here. So this was 4 ounces. It feels like there's like half left, so it's 2 ounces. This is 1 ounce of this stuff. 20 or 30, this is 30. Okay, so the rest of this with 1 packet of this should be enough for my hair. But no, if you're not gonna be helpful, please get out. No, don't sniff the bleach. No, okay, no, you're not gonna be in here. Nope. Out. As soon as you start snorting bleach, I'm out. You cute and all, but you're not gonna be as cute if you did. Oh my God, you guys, I'm so fucking nervous. Oh, okay. We have our bleach, our developer. Just gonna put it all in. Yo, I'm fucking. Okay. Supposed to mix it till it's like a paste, right? Okay. Let's start with the lower layer. I don't have any hair down here. Chris shaved my head more, so it's literally just like the top half of my hair. That's why I think 1 package should be enough. Also because I'm not doing my entire head. Like I won't even really be going to my roots. I'll probably go to my roots a couple times. I don't know. We'll fucking see. Oh my God. Give me my towel. Because I kind of like this t-shirt. Let me find something I don't like. And I don't want to get bleach on it. Hype me up, guys. Hype me up. Jackie, if you're watching this, I love you and I'm sorry. Oh my God, okay. A little less than that because I don't know what I'm doing. Oh my. Oh, I didn't put gloves on. Oh my God, I didn't put gloves on. As soon as I felt some of it hit my finger, I was like, fuck. Okay. That was close. That was real close. I was really about to just go like this. All right, that's a lot. This is what we're gonna do. Cause I want some of them to be longer, you know what I mean? I want them to be a little shorter, darker, lighter. I don't know what I'm doing. I hope I'm doing enough. I bought the little applicator and I'm not even using it, but it's fine because I think my fingers are gonna be a little more accurate to what I want. Should I put you guys on this side of me so you can see my facial expressions? But then you won't see what I'm doing to my hair. Okay, that works. I don't know how long this needs to stay in. Okay, I need to work faster, I think. I'm pretty sure I need to work faster. Pretty damn sure. Look at that glove, bruh. Look at that glove. Oh my, come here. I'm literally just using my fucking fingers. Oh, I didn't even tell you what color we're doing. This is gonna take me all day, all fucking day. It's fine, I don't have anything else to do. I love how I said I wasn't gonna bleach the very bottom and here I am still bleaching the very bottom of every single piece that I grab. But like, I'm leaving roots. I don't know if you guys can see what I'm trying to accomplish here, but that works, that's fine. A little edge in the front for when I put it up. I'm down. I want the middle of this to be bleached up here. So the rest can drop. This bitch is getting more bleach. You get over here, I'm not quite ready for you. Now I'm on this side, oh my God. Oh, this video is gonna be a mess. I probably should still use this, huh? It might like get in there better than me. I don't fucking know. Do you see what I'm trying to accomplish? I hope so, because I don't. Shit, I still need half of this for the top of my hair. Oh no. Oh no. So I'm just gonna grab all of this from the back, do it this way. Oh my God, it's tangled. Because I got a little bit of bleach in there, so it's already killing itself. I know it's like a straight line right now, but I'm gonna grab this bad boy and some of this. And some of these, and some of these, and some of these. I feel like I quote SpongeBob a lot in my YouTube videos now, and I don't know how I feel about it. I don't know if I'm impressed with myself or like a little disappointed. Like that's the baseline of my humor is just SpongeBob references. It's fine. I feel like a lot of millennials can relate. My hair is gonna look so bad. Oh, okay. It's fine. It's fine. We're fine. We're fine here. Time for the top. Let me get all this hair that's already falling out off of my gloves. Alrighty, time for this bad boy to come out. I'm just gonna do this in front of my face. I wanna do this stuff down here once I get it out. Oh, I'm gonna take my gloves off. Oh my God, this hair got so tangled too, look. So it's been 20 minutes since I started this. So the front of my hair should be starting to lighten up a little bit. Oh God, there's a lot of hair on top. I don't think I have enough bleach. Fuck. I should have mixed in conditioner to make it stretch. I'm so mad at me. All right, well, split it into 2 pieces so that everything's a little cockeyed and just fucking full send it, bitch. Let me. Oh my God, my hair is gonna look so patchy. It's fine, because then we put a fun color over it and people will be like, oh my God, she tie-dyed her hair. How did she do that? I never part my hair like this, so ignore the fact that it's pretty much a straight line because it won't look like that. Well, drop some bleach. Use it or lose it. Oh, drop some on my shirt too. Oh my God, I really hope this fucking works or I'm just frying my hair for no reason. Okay, oh my God, there's so much hair coming off of my head right now. It's disgusting. Oh, I knew this was gonna happen. I knew all my hair was gonna fall out. But you know what? My hair's gonna look cool. Okay, now what? Am I supposed to like wrap it in plastic or some shit? I honestly don't know. Like, if I had just done what I said I was going to do and not bleached the entire bottom, I probably would have had enough, but. Okay, take these gloves off. Put a plastic bag on my head. And now we wait. I don't know how long, I didn't read it. Oops, I wasn't supposed to put any on the previously lightened areas. Oh well. Okay, it is highly likely that I did not bleach this for long enough, but I got paranoid. So I just rinsed it all out. I didn't wash it out. We're about to see my hair together. Put it straight up in a towel. I didn't even really look at it. see what kind of train wreck we got going on here. Okay, that's not bad. It pretty much looks the same. It did lighten up a little bit. I should have left this side in longer, but it doesn't look bad, I don't think. It's like just enough that it's gonna give me the pink. God, I just told you the color. Anyway, the same brand I used last time because I really liked it, but we're dyeing my hair pink. Should I do it while my hair is a little damp and receptive? Or should I use hot water first? Should I open up my cuticles? But like, look, you can see how it's like a little bit lighter here, which is what I wanted. This is actually going really well and I'm a little less stressed. That's great, I'm happy. That doesn't look bad, bro. I mean, if I was gonna leave it like this, it would look bad, but it doesn't look bad for what I'm trying to accomplish. I don't know why I'm whispering. Okay, this bad boy back on. Oh my god, okay. My other set of gloves. Don't touch me, I'm sterile. Down here is gonna be pink. I'm not gonna worry about sectioning it off because I'm doing all of it. Start it up here. Oh, look at that streak, bro. Oh my god, this is gonna be so pink. I'm here for it. I'm here for it. Oh my god. Oh my fucking god. You guys, I've never had pink hair before. Like, I've had purple hair that like faded to kind of be pink, but I've never just straight up had pink hair before. Welcome to a Jack first. Oh, there's some blonde under here. I have no idea what I'm doing. Yo, my hair is about to be so pink. Here we go. On to this side. Oh no, is this dripping? Oh, she dripped. Yo, this towel is doing nothing for this shirt, bro. Nothing. I forgot to do the protein pack in between, my dumbass. I'm just like, here, take this dye instead. Survive. Well, I just got pink all over my face, you guys. Fuck it. Oh no, you know what? Full send, full pink. I don't want to miss anything I lightened for this purpose. We're just gonna do it all. Yo, my hair is gonna be so fucking, oh my god. The person who paid for it wanted to remain anonymous, but her daughter picked the color and I hope she likes it. Bro, I love it. I'm so excited. Catch me doing that fucking heat miser audio real soon with my pink ass hair. I'm here for it. Does that look like it's all covered to you? I might have Chris cut my hair because these dead ends, man, are sending me. I'm gonna take a picture and send it to someone. I'm gonna marinate for a hot minute and then catch you guys on the rinse cycle. All right, we are back. I have since rinsed and applied one of these that I'm going to let sit in my hair for as long as it wants because my hair needs it. And then I'm gonna rinse it out and show you guys what it looks like all done. Oh, I'm gonna choke. We are back. I am in a towel. So now I'm gonna dry my hair for y'all once I put some clothes on. We are in a new era, people. Oh, I could probably use a little more pink right here. But we're gonna dry it. We're gonna dry it and see what it looks like. I've got more dye, so. But I think I did a damn good job. Maybe I could be a hairstylist. All right, let's do this. Guys, this isn't coming out bad. I'm happy with it. I'm proud of myself. That's not bad. I mean, like, some of the stuff further up, because I didn't saturate the top of my head, is a little faded, but I have more dye and I can fix that. I did what I wanted to do. I'm so proud of me. Thank you for watching. Clearly my hair is upset with me right now, but I have another protein pack. Yeah, I'm living for the pink. If you would like to, you can PayPal me to pick my next hair color. Just make sure you put, like, in the description, like, hair dye and then the color you want me to dye my hair next. $30 buys me the bleach and all that fun stuff, and you get to pick the color because this is really fun. I like having you guys pick. I would never have dyed my hair pink, but this is so cool. I'm gonna go. Thank you for watching. Thank you for liking, commenting, and subscribing. If you haven't yet, please do so. Oh, stay hydrated, get some rest, take care of yourself. I love you. Thank you for being here. Bye.